Hi, my name is Eboni-Rose Thompson, and I'm running to be the next council member from Ward 7. What I believe people need to know about any candidate, no matter what the hot button topics of today are, is what lens they make decisions through. For me, I am not shy about saying I'm a fifth generation Washingtonian who is absolutely committed to making sure Washingtonians today and the next generation of Washingtonians not only have good education, but have economic development that is paired with housing, so we can both welcome amenities and folks can still afford to live in our neighborhoods. To make sure we're making investments in healthcare so that folks can survive and thrive, and to make sure that we're making investments in public safety, not just so residents feel safe, but actually are safe in our communities and every day. I can tell you, as someone who's currently sits on the State Board of Education, that I am also especially committed to making sure our young people, who we have seen over the years, especially who have an LGBTQ background, are not just supported, but we begin to lessen the barriers that they're facing and to eliminate some of the data that we're seeing around young people not feeling safe, young people not feeling loved, young people not feeling supported. I have fought for investments in mental health. I have fought for investments that those things be school-based. I have also helped to pass not only the first ever and most inclusive social studies standards in the country that show all of our backgrounds and give children not only windows and mirrors of themselves, but an idea of what other people look like, so we can actually move to being more inclusive in the United States. I think it is vitally important that the next council member absolutely understand and is committed to making the investments for all of us, but also understand when some of us are not represented and when some of us have additional challenges. For those reasons, I think as we talk about things like health, as we talk about things like housing, as we talk about things like employment, it is vitally important that folks work with not only the Capital Stonewall Democrats, but young people and just inclusive communities to address disparities that we see in LGBTQ communities and eliminate barriers to equitable health care, eliminate barriers to equitable employment, to eliminate barriers to equitable housing, and is committed to seeing those things through, not just on day one, but through the entire term. And so I ask for your support, for your endorsement, not only today, but I ask you to reach out and educate me and support me as someone who really wants to represent you and to represent all of us. And I also humbly ask for your vote on June 4th or before, because early voting is starting now. Thank you.